At the airport.
What time is our flight boarding?
It should start boarding at 2:30 p.m. Let me see. Our flight is on time and boarding from gate 15.
Great. Do we have time for a quick bite? I'm a bit peckish.
Sure. There's a place over there that sells sandwiches and coffee.
Perfect. Do you want anything?
Just a coffee for me, thanks. I'm not very hungry.
I'm going to stretch my legs a bit before we sit for hours. Want anything from the shop?
Could you grab me a magazine? Something light to read.
Will do. Maybe I'll find a travel pillow. My neck always gets stiff on flights. Got the magazine and a pillow. And look, a free map of our destination.
Handy. Let's go over our itinerary one more time.
Sure, let's see. We land at 7 p.m. Then the shuttle to the hotel.
We should check in by 9 p.m., just in time for a late dinner.
I'm looking forward to the seafood there. Heard it's a must-try.
Oh, absolutely. Let's not forget to ask the hotel staff for restaurant recommendations.
Good thinking. We should also inquire about local tours.
Yes, I'll add that to our to-do list.
Is this your first time flying to this country?
It is. I'm excited about the cultural experiences and, of course, the food.
It's going to be an adventure. Let's make the most of it.
Definitely. It's almost boarding time. Shall we head to the gate?
Let's. And after we land, our vacation officially begins.
Here's to a great trip ahead.
Lost luggage at the airport. Excuse me, I think my bag didn't come out. My flight just landed and I've been waiting for a while. Let me take a look at your ticket. What's your flight number? It's QF10 from Sydney. My baggage tag number is 12345. All right, I see. It looks like your bag is still at the transfer point. It may have been delayed during the process. Oh no, I'm supposed to attend a wedding in a few hours. How long will it take for my luggage to arrive? It should be about an hour or so before it arrives. I can help you with a few things in the meantime if you'd like. We can also provide you with a kit for toiletries if you need anything. That's good to know. I really need my dress and shoes. Is there any way to track the bag? Yes, we can provide a tracking number and you'll be able to check online for updates. I'll also send you an SMS as soon as your bag is ready for pickup. That's a relief. I was starting to panic. Checking in at the hotel. Good evening. Welcome to the Crescent Inn. How can I help you today? Hi. We have a reservation under the name Miller. Let me check. Ah, here it is. A medium room for 3 nights. Is that correct? Yes, that's right. Great. May I see your ID and credit card for check-in? Of course. Here you go. Thank you. Also, just a quick note. Our jazz bar has live music every night. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the courtyard. That sounds amazing. Oh, and do you offer late checkout? Yes, but there's a small fee. Would you like to add it now? I'll think about it. For now, just the regular checkout. No problem. Here's your key. Your room is on the 3rd floor. Enjoy your stay. Thanks.
At the beach.
It's such a perfect day for the beach, isn't it?
Absolutely, the sun is shining and the water looks inviting. Don't forget to apply sunscreen, though.
Good reminder, I almost forgot. I've got SPF 50. Do you need some?
Yes, please. I left mine in the car. Better safe than sorry with this sun.
Definitely. Here you go. Have you tried the water yet? Is it cold?
I haven't, but let's check it out together.
Sure, let's go.
This is amazing. Look at the view from here.
I told you it's worth it. It's like walking on water.
Yes, it's beautiful. Oh, look, there's a little fish swimming by.
Nature's wonders. I'm ready for a snack, though. Did you bring anything?
I've got some fruit and sandwiches. Want to share?
Sounds perfect. Let's eat. This sandwich is delicious. What's in it?
It's my special recipe. Turkey, cranberry sauce, and brie on whole grain bread.
You'll have to give me the recipe. It's really good. What a day. I'm glad we came out.
Agreed. Where should we go next time?
Road trip.
We're finally here. Look at that beautiful ocean.
The drive was long, but it was worth it. The beach is perfect. Mom! Dad! I'm starving! We just got here, sweetie. Enjoy the ocean air first. The only thing I want to enjoy now is a sandwich. Room reservation issue.
Hello, I have a reservation under the name of Josh Thompson. Let me check. Ah, yes, I see your reservation here. You've booked a standard room for 3 nights. Actually, I thought I booked a room with a king-size bed. I specifically asked for it when I made the reservation. I'm not seeing that in the system. It looks like you've been assigned a room with 2 twin beds. Oh no, that's really not going to work. I need a king-size bed. Is there anything you can do to change it? Let me check our availability. Good news! We do have a king-size room available. But there's a small upgrade fee of $20 per night. Would you like to switch? Yes, please. I really need a bigger bed for a comfortable stay. I'll make the change right now. Your new room is on the 4th floor, and here's your key card. Sorry for the inconvenience. That's okay.
Picnic panic. The sandwiches are flying!
That seagull just stole my lunch right out of my hand.
Dad, you lost to a bird. That's a new low. This is why Brits eat indoors.
It wouldn't have been a problem if the sandwich I made hadn't been so delicious.
Max is chasing pigeons again. He's one of them now. Great! He's going to get tired soon.
Or fall again.
Should we call him back? Let him play a bit. He's having fun.
And we still have 1 sandwich left.
Let's eat it before another bird shows up. I want to buy some souvenirs before I go home. James, I can't believe we're already leaving tomorrow. It feels like we just got here.
I know, the trip went by so fast. I'm gonna miss the food here.
Same here. The pizza and bagels were amazing. I'll definitely miss them.
Yeah, and the sightseeing was incredible too.
Definitely. But before we leave, I want to buy some souvenirs.
Oh, that's a good idea. What kind of souvenirs are you thinking about?
Maybe some little things that remind me of New York. Like a postcard, a mug, and some of those famous I Heart NY t-shirts.
That sounds perfect.
Exactly. And I also might get some of those keychains or magnets.
Great choices. I saw a souvenir shop near Times Square. Want to check it out?
Yes, let's go there.